Hello everyone, so if you want to clone your applications on your Xiaomi Redmi 13, so first you will open up your settings. Now scroll down to your Applications tab, Apps. Now in your apps, you are to find your dual apps right here. In your dual apps, you are to go through the list of the applications and choose the one which you want to copy. For example, want to copy our Spotify. So now simply tap on the switch nearing, confirm your choice, turn on, and as you see, the dual app was created successfully. So now let's look for it. Here it is. If you want to delete your dual app, it's really easy to do. So open up your settings, once again find your Applications tab, find your dual apps, and tap on the switch near the application. Confirm your choice by pressing OK, and as you see, the dual app has been just disappeared. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.